Begin by removing the data logger from the LCS140 and connect the device to a computer running the MadgeTech software. Within the software, select the device from the Connected Devices panel. Next, click Custom Start. Select your start and stop methods and choose your reading interval. Then click Start to begin logging at the selected start time. Now it's time to assemble the LCS140. Begin by filling the reservoir bottle with distilled water. Next, screw the bottle into the bottom of the hanging fixture. Then drop the sock into the water. Now insert the data logger into the hanging fixture so that it is suspended upside down, and slide the sock onto the end of the 5-inch probe. Ensure the data logger is firmly secured in the fixture and that the sock reaches the bottom of the water reservoir. Now place the LCS140 directly in the monitoring environment and begin the cooking or heating process as usual. Once the cycle has ended and the device is cooled, remove the data logger from the fixture and connect the device to the MadgeTech software once more via an interface cable. Again, select the logger from the Connected Devices panel. Click Stop to stop logging data. Now, click Download to offload the recorded data from the device. To calculate relative humidity, begin by clicking Math Channels. Then click Add to create a new math channel. Now scroll down the list and select Relative Humidity. Click OK to add the new channel to the report. Select both your dry bulb and wet bulb. When finished, click Close and the data will be automatically calculated on the report. To learn more, call or visit us online at MadgeTech.com.